Now, Luciano wanted to head out on his GPZ 1000 that he just finished restoring, and we had a great day riding in the park and a lot of fun meeting up with our friends. You got on it since the day we rode it together. You got a lot of miles on it yet? A couple more rides you had, you told me about them.
70 miles total.
Whoa, great, you gotta put new tires on it. Yeah, this rode nice when I rode it. I enjoyed this bike. Nice and clean too.
Did you ride this?
Yeah, we swapped the bikes. Yeah, I got on video even. Yeah, this was nice. You never go wrong with a Ninja, that's for sure.
I tell you, it's heavy. Oh,
yeah, it's heavy, but you're a strong man. All that Italian, all that pepperoni pizza there. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good. They can show it off today, I'm sure. If anybody's out riding, I don't even know if anybody's riding or where they're hiding and riding. Still looks good, baby. Considering you got 2 spare motors, 4 spare wheels, extra body work, extra headlights. Oh my God, it's amazing. It's a nice bike, I'll tell you. That's a nice bike.
Spare everything.
And it's the big thing for me, comfortable.
Yeah.
That was very comfortable, like the GS.
It is.
Dodge?
No, it's a Camaro. I believe it's a Camaro.
That's a Dodge.
That's a Dodge?
Yeah. You know cars like I know cars. You know pepperoni pizza. It's a Dodge. Does that say Camaro? Camaro Dodge.
Wait, and the Dodge is Camaro.
It doesn't. So what's got Brembo calipers?
Look at the front, to the front.
Yeah. That's been here for a while. Look how rusty look how rusty the discs are. Look at this too. Probably a stolen car.
Oh, city overnight.
See what this means? This means I'm a big guy. I got almost as much power as a 400 RD. Look at the scoops on the hood even.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't care for it. Look at all the crap on the wind. This car. I bet this car is stolen.
For a couple of days, yeah.
Yeah. Look from the rest, because the rain yesterday. I got caught in the rain yesterday twice.
I can take it for 300 bucks.
300 bucks, and we'll put a Ninja engine in it. You got a couple extra Ninja engines.
Yeah.
Wow. You better go to the car wash. So we're getting ready to, I hear motorcycles in the background. Oh, here we go. Here we go. It's Pokey and his friends. Do you know the story of this bike?
No. Holy shit! You know what? I just realized the same colors as your 84.
Wait, this is an amazing. This is
Not
called the
same
Evil.
engine. It's a very
that's
similar.
1,000.
This is called the
But you said it
Evil
was a 600.
Triplet. He made it from 3 bikes,
Nice.
none of which were over $100.
Nice.
So for $300 he got.
And one of them was from Patterson, right?
Oh, the 2 were from Patterson. Yeah, we were tough guys that
I
day.
just told you.
I can't believe this is almost the same pattern yours
I had
has.
to go to Patterson to get one.
Jimmy, if you saw this the day he picked up, he's got 2 spare motors and they're both
One of
run.
these green or something?
No, that's
I gotta
my
go.
bike.
I'll talk to you later.
My bike's the
Have a
Triplet.
good day.
All right, buddy. Be safe.
There's Evil Twins and there's Evil Triplets, and this is the only Evil Triplet made from 3 $100 motorcycles.
Well, it was a success, I'd say.
Oh
So-
man, is it? I rode this. It rides like a Cadillac.
These are nice bikes.
It rides like a GS, like an 1100 GS.
Well, I had the 85 and I had it forever.
Oh, it was a great bike. Yeah, a great bike.
Yeah.
So where's Jose and Michelle and?
Well, Jose is at the Beamer Rally.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he went down there for that.
Where's
And
that?
Michelle has been staying her side of the river.
Oh, okay.
She says, if you don't tell me, I'm not paying the bridge money.
I'm gonna call her right now. I've seen people riding with dogs on the back, the saddlebags and everything.
Yes, I've been down
So tell me about the Moto Guzzi. I got a good friend, Henry, and he's got Guzzis. He's got 4 or 5 or 10 of them. I don't know. He's a very wealthy guy, I think. But anyway, how many miles you got on this now? It's starting to look old.
12,000. And I never cleaned it. I haven't cleaned it in a year. That's why it looks old.
Henry, you could try to get this thing for a song and dance.
No, you can't, because I'm not selling it. So how are you going to get it for a song and
No, it
dance?
looks nice. Hey,
Tell Henry.
you got to
Tell
ride.
Henry there was a Stelvio, which is the big adventure
I know what
bike.
Salvio is. Yeah.
In Mawa, came up on Craigslist last Sunday, $800.
Oh, why didn't you
Didn't
buy it?
start, doesn't run.
Only take a little bit of fluid.
That's
because I
never a
got no
problem.
place
We
to
got.
put it. Buddy, I have
They
no
have a
place
bleeder
to
on,
put
Brad
it.
did.
I'm
Listen,
serious.
seriously, we went down to the bowels of the earth and bought 2 of these for $100 each. The
Now you're
wheels,
talking
the
paddle.
wheels
Gas
didn't
station,
turn.
topped it off.
That's how
Okay.
bad. You had to cut the hydraulic lines to get the. He wouldn't let me take video because we were really in deep trouble if we didn't play the game. But we got them both on a trailer, and then he found another one,
Bleeder
and he went with his wife to get. So he had 3 bikes.
How is his wife with him getting bikes? She doesn't care.
She didn't murder him yet. So when you see him in the obituary, you know he didn't get away with
I
it again.
don't look for a
That's
big.
the Bulgarian comes
Where do you
out. If
look
you don't
for a
put that in,
picture?
you got no
Gotta
good
go
one.
online.
No, I got a paper.
Yes.
We're sold
Bulgarian,
through.
same
Burger
size
record?
that
We
first
still
one.
get the
That might be
paper,
what you
yes.
Burger record?
Yeah, but look at what a nice job he did. I think that's amazing. Then I rode the bike up by Greenwood Lake, went around the lake.
Okay.
Oh, it's beautiful. You know a bike that's comfortable and you just get in and you go, it's like sitting in a lawn
Well,
chair.
how's your new? Your,
Oh, this one's a jewel.
yeah, that's your. That was
little-
your son's, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Your
it was my
son-in-law.
my son-in-law's bike, and when they had the baby, he sold it to me. For free. For free. That was a good price. I bought him a dog, he gave me the bike.
Like I said, they have
Now-
them there.
Oh, Henry, if
When
you were
your
up
wife
riding
bought
with
it,
us,
so
wow.
when your wife bought
Well,
it, does
we
Henry
did.
go on Wild Goosey?
He was telling me the FSCR has a ball bearing,
In May.
a clutch push rod.
Yeah.
Oh.
A lot of them do. A lot of those push rod hydraulic clutch
If you don't want-
assemblies have a ball bearing.
If that one is missing, that's why the lever has so much.
Oh.
Yeah, because you move the lever a certain amount and nothing happens, and now you can't get enough travel.
When you take them apart, the ball bearing falls out,
And they never put it back
You
in.
don't even know you lost it.
Yeah,
It rolls
yeah.
out of there. So like on a side stand, if you slide
Yeah.
it out, that ball bearing could roll out. And you didn't even notice.
What size ball bearing?
The
Yeah,
same
but
size diameter.
He's got an FCR now. He's working on it.
Anything that
And
fits in the hole,
we were up
you
there
know.
yesterday. Yeah, we took a little test ride up and down a block yesterday. So
FCR what? Oh, that's
just
what,
like my
1,000?
1000, yeah, rocket ship. Things
Like I
are
said,
rocket
it's
ship.
not the exact size, as long as it's not too big. Stick.
Okay, so Najat has a Rubicon. What do you call this? A Sahara? A Sahara. Hey, I know where you can get a Dodge Hellcat real cheap.
What's cheap for a help?
Cheap. You got a tow truck? I know where it's been parked for a week and it hasn't been moved. Their discs are all rusted out and everything.
It's a bunch of rust here.
Oh, rust. Don't worry.
Want to strip it?
Yeah, Najat, if you're looking, this is what I like about Jeeps. Very cool. Well, let's go off-road. He wouldn't admit it.
Yeah, this
Nice.
was already 20 years old. And for a Jeep, usually they get the hell beat out of it.
Because of the six.
Straight 6 with fuel injection.
Oh.
My favorite.
My favorite.
Are those oversized tires?
A little bit.
Just one size. Yeah, cool. Definitely cool.
Yeah. And like I said,
Your son had a Jeep, didn't he? Didn't your son have a Jeep? I don't remember.
So like I say, I'm into this.
Find a kit. They made a
So
kit.
we're gonna take the nice ride home. As always, that is an amazing bike for anybody who hasn't seen it in real life. Made from 3 bikes. The Evil Triplet GPZ 1000. And we had a really nice ride home. The weather was perfect. Good seeing Jim and Pokey. And hanging out at Mickey D's, of course, always fun. And I have to congratulate Luciano again. And this is an amazing bike. To be made from 3 bikes into one and have all those spare parts, that's an amazing thing. And good luck. This bike really honks. And thanks so much for restoring that GPZ, and thanks for watching.